Welcome back to English Learning Podcast HQ. I'm very happy you are here today. This podcast is for beginners who want to speak English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. If you are learning English and sometimes feel nervous, don't worry. You are in the right place. In today's episode, we will learn how to talk about your family in English. Family is one of the first topics people talk about when meeting someone new. People often ask, "Do you have a family?" How many people are in your family? Who do you live with? After this lesson, you will be able to answer these questions in simple and natural English. Relax. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. What is family? Family means the people who are close to you. They care about you. They support you. They stay with you in good times and bad times. Family can be big. Family can be small. Every family is different. And that is okay. Let's learn together. Basic family members. Repeat after me. Mother, father, parents. Good. Brother, sister. Very good. Son, daughter. Excellent. Husband, wife. Nice work. Talking about your family. Repeat after me. I have a family. I have a small family. I have a big family. Very good. I live with my family. Excellent. Some people say, I live with my parents. Very nice. Talking about parents. This is my mother. This is my father. My mother is kind. My mother is caring. My father is hardworking. My parents are supportive. Beautiful. Brothers and sisters. I have one brother. I have two sisters. My brother is older. My brother is younger. My sister is older. My sister is younger. Some people say, I don't have brothers or sisters. That's okay. Children. I have a son. I have a daughter. I have two children. My children go to school. Very good. Family activities. We eat together. We talk together. We spend time together. We eat dinner together. On the weekend, we relax together. Excellent. Feelings about family. I love my family. I feel happy with my family. I feel safe with my family. My family supports me. My family helps me. Very nice. Describing family members. Kind, friendly, funny, caring. My mother is kind. My father is hardworking. My sister is friendly. Good job. Family story. Now just listen. I have a small family. I live with my parents. My father works in an office. My mother works at home. I have one sister. In the evening, we eat dinner together. We talk and laugh. On the weekend, we relax together. I love my family very much. Now repeat with me. I have a small family. I live with my parents. I love my family. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and speak. I have people in my family. My mother is. My father works. Excellent. Extended family. Grandfather. Grandmother. Uncle. Aunt. Cousin. I visit my grandparents. I meet my cousins. Very good. Family values. My family teaches me respect. My family teaches me kindness. Family is important to me. Very beautiful. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about your family. You learned English for real life. You are improving step by step. Great job today. Remember, listen, repeat, speak. Practice every day, and your English will grow naturally. Thank you for learning with English Learning Podcast HQ. I'll see you in the next episode.